with participation from senior stakeholders representing the automotive and software domains.
We started with a conference on advanced driver assistance systems as well as autonomous driving. We have, under our intelligence domain, created India's most comprehensive consumer study. We call it the Indian Automotive Consumer Canvas. And that has become the most comprehensive, the largest, the widest, the furthest as far as consumer studies are concerned.
Innovation, and which means now you have to design a system which is for future. Automotive world, it is changing in 4 quadrants and in all directions. So end user expectations are changing. Any new use cases has to cater multiple computing options. Vehicle to vehicle and vehicle to infra communication. So for example, talking to a roadside unit.
Few machines are working on Linux, few of them are working on the stack. QNX is the
to the government, so that those kind of norms comes to the India, and accordingly the OEM or the tier 1 would derive solutions accordingly.
Connectivity is going to be one of the key facets which is going to help deployment of SDVs.
Revenue, software-driven revenues will be anywhere between 50, 60, 70 billion dollars, right? You could have seen slightly higher numbers, slightly lower numbers, depending on how you define it. But that's the ballpark we're talking. Now, what is supplier partnerships? I mean, virtualization, right? The time to market is shrinking. The time, I think this was mentioned earlier as well.
In-cache functions can be deployed in the vehicle, or it can also be deployed using a digital platform on the cloud services. So that's what it basically means.
Innovation will also happen with software, and the cost implications of the software would be higher going in the future, right?
Design should be modular, design should be microkernel based. So idea is that every module should run in their own protected memory space, so that
customers have started recognizing that how beneficial is this technology to us. In fact, my driver,
and this picture also for us represents the change in value from hardware to software. So hardware is commodity, software here, the SBOM concept.
Decouple the hardware from the software, and we can keep adding the new functions as we go on, and the vehicle life will not be same as today, that the day